Every year, more than 4,000 people in the United States die in house fires. In most cases, it's not the fire that kills them, but the smoke. While you are sleeping, it fills your home and can kill you in only 3 or 4 breaths. According to the National Fire Protection Association, 3 out of 5 home fire deaths occur where there is no working smoke alarm. Smoke alarms are the cheapest life insurance money can buy, giving you and your family precious time to escape. Test the batteries monthly. Replace them twice a year. When we spring forward and fall back are easy times to remember to do so. And the devices themselves should be replaced after 10 years. The Austin Fire Department wants everyone to be safe and provides free accessible smoke alarms to Austin community members who are deaf and hard of hearing. For more information, call AFD's Community Outreach Office at 512-974-0299 or visit www.austinfiredepartment.org.